Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have got an unboxing for you that is a brand new hobby for me, a brand new craft to learn that's coming from a company that's brand new to me. So I'm very excited to share that information with you. So, yeah, this is the box. It's big. We'll open it, we'll see what's in the kit, and I'll explain to you a little bit about what it is that I'm going to be trying to learn as we go through it. So let's get inside. Wow, so this is looking like a really comprehensive kit. I can see that it includes everything. We've got glues, we've got wire, we've got pots. So what am I going to be doing? I am going to be creating this picture using a technique called Cloisonné. There is some discussion about how you pronounce it. I'm going to say it like that. I'm probably wrong. Let me know down in the comments if you know different. So, to give you some information about what that is, Cloisonné is a traditional enamel technique that involves decorating metal objects. Typically those are copper or brass, using colourful enamel materials. The term cloisonné comes from the French word for partition or compartment, referring to the small cells that you are going to create on the metal surface that you will then fill with colour. There is a step-by-step guide here, so I can show you a little bit. So we are going to be using the metal wires to create the outline of our artwork, and then within the outline we are going to use the coloured powders to add colour to our design. So that's the plan. That's basically what we're going to do, and that's our step-by-step instructions. So what else have we got in the kit? So let's have a look. We've got 2 spools of this wire, which is a flat wire. So this is what's going to provide the walls for our, I'll just leave that up there so you can still see the walls for the edge of the design. We've got obviously our coloured enamel powders and these little pots to put those in, so very appreciative of the little pots with lids. Another lid. We've got 3 different types of glue. So we've got B7000, which is just like a strong craft glue. We've got sand fixing glue, which I assume that I then mix with water. So this is glue to water ratio 1:4, and then in this spray bottle this is laminating glue. So we will see when we get to those bits how that works. We've also got another spray bottle. We've got this little pouch which contains, oh, see, this is so lovely. So in here we've got a little palette knife, we've got some snips, we've got 2 little bits of wood, some needle nose tweezers and 2 pipettes. So it does definitely look like they are giving us everything to get started. And then here we have our artwork. So this is on a sort of a hard poster board kind of material. Sort of made from, I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it's hard-wearing plastic certainly. So that is our design with the 2 koi fish. I'm not going to start this now on camera. I am going to film it though, and you will get to see what I do. So right, So we're going to use the 2 bits of wood to straighten the wire to make the filigree process easier. So that's what the 2 little bits of wood are for. Use the tweezers to hold the wire onto the line. The snips are to make sure that you're cutting vertically. Add the glue to the place where the wire is not well fixed and where the joint is not closely connected. Okay. Yeah, so we are going to create our areas on here. We're going to then put the sand into the cups, add water to cover the sand completely, okay. Stir well and stand for a while. Pour off any superficial suspension. Add water to make the water surface 5 millimeters higher than the sand. Scoop up some sand with the tip of the spatula. Oh, so that the palette knife is what they're calling a spatula. Don't fill the sand too full. So yeah, so you're going to be filling in these areas with the sort of wet sand mixture. And they suggest making it darker near the edges, lighter in the centre. You can use droppers to pick up sand and add that in. After colouring, spray the sand fixing glue, diluted with water. Wait 3 hours and then spray the laminating glue. The glue will dry out after 30 hours and become transparent. So, yeah, this is going to be a big project. So this will be my August project. I'm very much looking forward to getting into all this and having a look. I don't really want to get all the sand out in case it leaks everywhere, but it does seem to be very well packaged, and there's certainly these are all individually sealed. There's a little bit of residue in there, but it's bags within a bag, so I think we'll be okay. So yeah, this is obviously a relatively short video because I just wanted to show you all of the things that came in the kit and how exciting this new project was. I am very interested in whether you've done any cloisonné or other enamel work. I am always looking for new skills to pick up. I am a bit of a magpie when it comes to new crafts, and this seemed like something really exciting. And I mean, if I can get anywhere close to this kind of finish, I will be happy because this looks really magical. So I will pop up information on the screen for the website. This came from Cloisonné Kit. They were kind enough to send me this to check out, review and share with you. If you wanted to get your own kit, the Koi kit is currently in the sale at $46. That gets you everything that you need, and this 30 centimeter size. If you wanted to go slightly smaller, it's $35 at the moment, also in the sale, and if you buy 2 you get a discount. So it's all very lovely. There's lots of options on the website, some really beautiful ones. This stag head is particularly lovely, and I can understand why they've used that picture in a lot of their marketing materials. But there's also a sky whale that I particularly liked. There's a little cat with some flowers. Really a mixture between sort of very traditional style artwork and then more sort of contemporary stuff. So do go check out the website, have a look and let me know what you think. I'd love to know what your favourite picture was that you spotted on the website, so let me know down in the comments once you've checked it out. I will of course be updating you on my progress. If I can get to the stage where I can work on this and hold a conversation at the same time, I may even do a whip and chat. But I will definitely get some in progress information up for you as soon as I have figured out the process, and then of course I will come back at the end and show you it in all its finished glory towards the end of August. So that is all from me for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this new journey. If you want to follow my progress, do remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Your likes, comments and shares mean the world to me. They really help the channel, and we've just recently tipped over the 800 subscriber mark, so I am now setting my sights on the 1,000, and I'm looking forward to celebrating with you all when I get there. So, as I say, that is all from me for today. Remember to like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Thank you once again to Cloisonné Kit for sending me this, and thank you to those of you that support my channel over on Patreon. I shall see you in the next one, and until then, stay crafty.